Concrete casting. Formwork preparation. Formwork is a mold or open box-like container into which fresh concrete is poured and compacted. When the concrete is set, the formwork is removed and a solid mass is produced in the shape of the inner face of the formwork. The top of the formwork is normally left open. Fallworks is the necessary support system that holds the formwork in the correct position. Type of formwork. Column formwork. Column formwork is made usually with either timber or metal panels. The principle is to create an enclosed box with frame at the exact side of the column and fix it tightly on the kicker left from base or at the last stage of column concreting. Beam formwork. Beam formwork consists of open through section and because it is not closed at the top requires more supporting formwork to restrain the side. The support need to be maintained to the soffit and also provide lateral support to the side. Timber is done by the use of a head tree across the top of a vertical member. Slab formwork. Floor require a large area of formwork to be provided, usually front beam to beam. Again, timber and metal props can be used for vertical support. Wall formwork. The panels at both sides are held in position by ties. Ties are also used as spacer, arranging wall thickness. Wall support systems are usually sloping prop factory intervals. Procedures of casting. Concrete mix must be near at site, must be placing in a uniform layer by layer for avoid separation. Materials for structured concrete walls and column must be placing at in layer thickness 450 mm. Concrete must be quickly as possible to prevent from hardening. Make sure every layer must be compact before the next layer. Avoid for cold joint. Avoid for reinforcement moving.
Created using Powtoon.